Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so the detach can proceed safely. First, make sure battery level is above 20% and save all files. This prevents sudden shutdowns during the operation. Next, close or sign out of any apps that may lock the keyboard or sensor. Once done, lay the Surface Book 2 on a stable, flat surface with plenty of light. Position yourself so you can use both hands. Finally, tell yourself you're ready before continuing to the first mechanical step. You'll now perform the mechanical detach. Press the keyboard detach key once and hold for the pulse or the on-screen prompt. This signals the system to release magnets and connectors. If the key doesn't respond, open Device Manager and stop the Surface keyboard driver briefly to force a safe release. While the system indicates detach, place one hand on the display and the other under the keyboard hinge. Lift gently about 1/2 inch and separate evenly. Make sure to move smoothly to avoid strain on the connector. Finish the detach by lifting the display straight off the base. Do not twist, pry, or tug. Support the screen so connectors disengage evenly, then place it face up on a soft surface. To reattach, align the hinge rails and lower until you feel the magnetic snap. The system will re-enable the keyboard automatically. If the unit won't release, reboot the Surface Book 2 and retry the detach sequence rather than forcing it. Because forcing risks damaging the latches or connectors, this is the single best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.